Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So y'all, I am out here. Been out here for a little while, so I'm letting Kylie bring all my seedlings out the greenhouse because I need to work on them and pick through them and stuff like that. I got some that's really dry that apparently wasn't getting watered that good. So I'm finna go ahead and water them and see what I can pick out, what I can go ahead and plant, what I can get ready to take to the farmer's market or post on my site for seedling wise or whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna bring y'all along, let y'all see what I'm doing. All right y'all, so Kylie just poured mostly everything. I got a couple things in here that can come out too, but okay, so see, I got those honeydew melons right there. Let me put it on them right there. They kind of like, but that thing is dry, so I'm finna water them and see if I can save my seedlings. They was in here, they must not be getting, but yesterday was 81 degrees, so it's that time we got to start watering even more. So this is all my seedlings and stuff right here. Back y'all. So I got a lot I need to work with, a lot I need to see what's going on, peppers and everything, y'all. Oh yeah, so and then I need to get what I need to get in the soil, like these pumpkins right here. They got to go ahead and get planted. Okay, so let me go ahead and water everybody.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, cause your love's too deep.
Okay y'all, so these are my pumpkin small sugar pumpkins. So I am about to get these because I have areas for them. So I'm about to go put them over there in that area. Try not to break their roots off so much, but I ain't gonna be labeling everything like that. I'm gonna put them because these is probably gonna be vinely. So I'm finna go plant all of them in one area. Okay. So yes. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna plant them in this area right here. And like I say, these are my pumpkins. Small sugar pumpkins is the name of them. So just gonna get them up in here like this. And they probably gonna be vinely, so I'm just gonna have stuff growing everywhere. That is alright though. Get it off in here like this. Just as long as I know what they are, then that will be fine. And I'm gonna put this right here so I can know what they are. Like those right there, those are squash. I guess I know when it started growing too. But I am gonna come back and put something in the areas. Okay, so those three there, and I'm gonna come right here and I just keep that in the center like this, y'all. Oh, tripod. Trying to keep my tripod stuff right. Alright. So yeah, I'll put it right here. It's a little green spider on my leg. All the bugs coming out. All the bugs coming out. All in here like this. It's a lot of little bugs, y'all. They crawling out on my leg. I keep feeling stuff flying on them. Back because I got 2 more that I need to plant real quick. Right here. So I'll put this one right here. Right here. Gracious. Yep. And so I have my small pumpkins growing in this area right here. Successful. All right, y'all, so I got those planted. Everything else is looking good for today. I'm about to go over here to the coop and about to take them some weeds and stuff that was pulled up, because everything get used here, okay? So everything get used. I'm gonna let Kylie go in. Move back. Kylie, you're gonna have to go in. It's like time I open it. They'll move. Go in. Go in.
Go. Move.
Because if you don't go, they gonna come out.
Alright.
So hold on, don't dump all of it. You gotta take it and go around, like spread it around. No, put it in here. They food in there. Just spread it around and they'll eat. So y'all, everything, don't nothing go to waste. Okay. So all weeds and grass and stuff, we bring it for them. I keep my chickens like this because I don't want the hawks and stuff to get them, and I don't want them tearing up my garden. So yeah. Okay, come on, honey. That's it.
Check if they left eggs.
You can look up there and see why we in here.
Yep, we got some eggs.
Okay, are you gonna be able to get them?
Yeah, one. Hey, Baldy.
It's only one egg.
Yeah, one right here.
Okay. Yeah, probably lay some more.
And then there's Baldy.
She's up there. She's probably gonna be ready to lay. They lay all day. So yeah, go ahead. So got that done.
Oh, this one passed through.
Yeah, go put that up there in the
Ben?
yeah. And then the 2 roosters right there, they are okay. Let me make sure they got food. That looks like, gotta see, because it don't look like they have any food. So let me get my son. Is there more food in there? In that tin can? Bring a scoop of it. Yeah. They got water, but they thing. And I'm not finna deal with it, y'all. I'm finna just pour some food in there for today. And I'll get they feeder out. I'll get their feeder out tomorrow. See, all this weeds and stuff, they gonna eat that. I'm gonna get that thing probably tomorrow, and just pour it in this corner right here because they food thing, and I don't have time. Don't get it in they water. Pour it right there in that corner. Okay, that's enough for them. Why is he? Oh Lord, Jackson, really? So they'll eat that. And then, hey, come here. I'll probably be able to do it now since they over there. Let's see. I don't know why they don't have food. This is dirt. So I don't know when around they put food in here, but hold on, can you grab that container while they over there? Right there, it's full of dirt. It ain't got no food in it. So it look like this gonna become your chore, sir. With my supervision. Pull that over there. Pull that thing out over there, cause that's all dirt. I know they was low on feed, so that may be why. But take it and bang it, and that hard dirt will come out. Bang it on the ground. So yeah, y'all, getting them some, because Rhonda normally come out and give them food and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. So we're gonna fill it up. And stuff. That'll get washed tomorrow then. They have food for now though. And that'll just get, well, you know that's your chore tomorrow. Spring, ain't no need to put that back in there. It's gotta get washed because they food can't come out. Just throw some food right here. Let me see. Nope, because I don't want it if it rain or anything to get wet, and then that starts a whole lot of issues. Just make sure they have enough. Just pour a little bit more, right? Not in their food, not in their water thing.
Right here.
Go that way. So Jackson, hold up. Look, you don't want them to fly out. Pour some right there. Just okay. They got enough now.
A little bit left on.
Just take that back to their thing. All right, y'all. So that's taken care of. Okay, y'all. So I forgot to show y'all what I had cooked. I had put a turkey in the oven. It cooked for 4 hours. I made some rice and some yams, and I put a little bit of the yam juice over my rice. The kids are over there tearing it up. So that is what I'm about to eat. So yeah, y'all, I'm starving.